folks, the wind died down, and I'm over here right now. I'm going to start harvesting some of these Lovage seeds that are ready. And well, I may not get them all, but I'll enough to plant a whole bunch of these, wherever I end up. Some of these are just ready to go, and some are not yet. It's pretty much the same method. Go ahead and grab this. Just yank them off. Just pull forward and yank them off. See, there's a whole bunch right here. They'll come off when they're ready. Sometimes they come off when you don't want them to because you forget to harvest them. But this is a plant I'm definitely going to grow. Lovage, L-O-V-A-G-E. I'm definitely going to be growing this probably the rest of my garden years. It's really a useful plant. It tastes like celery, citrus celery. It gets about 6 feet tall. It's got big stalks on it. It's just a better alternative to celery in my opinion. I just come out here and whack whatever you want off and just use it for stews, just like you would celery. And so I'm going to collect as many of these seeds as I can. I'm getting a good deal of them right now. That's not bad so far. But oh, looks like the onions want the seed too. I had to harvest those too. I've got a whole bunch over here. Might have a special visitor for you all to see later on. They just crumble right off. It's easy to stay in the harvest like this. Just let them get a little bit dry, and then no need to come out and clip them all off and worry about that. You know, you're going to lose a few seeds anyway, but does it really matter? I hear birds whining, and they probably want a treat. Just that simple. See, I just pulled them all off. Alright, well, I think that's done for the day on the harvesting. Probably do harvesting on the seeds about a week from now. But I'll definitely be able to grow a whole bunch more of these. And I didn't buy any seeds from the store. That's the biggest thing. Learn to harvest your own seeds and when. Because you never know how long those stores may not have seeds any longer. It's happened before. Remember the lockdowns in Michigan? Yep. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, and